catch on Bunucci no some months ago as some project on plans won come was sending a crown kawakai newspaper and when you hint no na men one catch Max Allegri and Juven Panion for as on no omna 5th or 6th choice and what you or Pepon boy young players no na other ben or catch no or more green masse want to be see woman and no edepa ye jam nano pai young rum or PSG a few rum or kata and Saudi Arabia PSG or manya sikabebre as what from her nina so roma ya des place out of my town alco air Saudi Arabia and Qatar or multi generate sika 159 million euros and a PSG etimi generate here omuma nema eko piemo Hilal 90 million euros omuma Marco Verratti piemo Qatar Arabi and you 45 million euros and what you want to up to Diallo eko Arabi 15 million euros and on the Wijnaldum piemo Itifak and 9 million euros okay Kaboma a total of 159 million euros and a PSG and Sa Etmiaka and no Edeba mi Ramo Germany Bundesliga no Thomas Tuchel they met say nyame panel 2 p.m. Central European time of Germany at 12 noon and Ghana and a press conference ahead of a China gamer one Leverkusen Babono a Betma Toja no Bamunch officially do photo no and we are buying team photo Daba for 2023-2024 and no any dasono Tramna Yakama and no Edeba na Nuachino Pema Ora Bo Etima Bamunchim Plaza Omusakano Omunina Timite Omu favorite series Omope Ewo TV show was no Opia Diaba Nacha Emwayo Piadbaina Yente Kakani Chopia series Ope
Fresh Prince of Bel-Air, Prince of Bel-Air.
Snowfall.
Telefoot.
Succession. Würde ich jetzt einmal mal klassisch mit Game of Thrones gehen.
Game of Thrones. Game of Thrones.
Game of Thrones.
Teen Wolf.
Peaky Blinders.
Breaking Bad.
Haus des Geldes.
Top Gear.
Suits oder Snowfall.
Meine Lieblingsserien ist
Bamunchin players no na Urama Bayern Munich omudia no Yangama Union Berlin team omuso Germany na fi UEFA Champions League omu ebe piano kama na omuso Champions League no omu come the Jesse Papa Jesse F and a Berlin for no somebody call anopeya omutima be on velo omu Jesse omu somebody call for UEFA Champions League amabi pia eswetima kama na Jesse F Papa and anopeya omutima poundma ye jeja mutama yentinsim ewo Real Madrid na menya dwuma kakra ewo Real Madrid ema ninyira ne som gidi se Tibu Courtois ni prana no odene wo de compare Militao dia no less serious esene ewura friend Courtois enu ntomo gidi mapa ese Militao enche obeba season nkona wie de na wa be kikiball dia matima Real Madrid enu eje froba na enu achi international break no Real Madrid players call for international duty day off and no also be arrested na branch friend Chouamini onu kopiam de ma France or back to back 90 minutes at my France national team na no was signal do not park or Dortmund against Germany or Kobajuma na no chino day off no opiam of Debe Baza one Real Madrid e train no mo Banabaso and no Edeba na Felon Mendy or Rano so far pra Dokrono or last season I just said 23 games were more unformer Real Madrid because of Bra this season so far 4 games Wonyamoye na dem Mendy enche or Baba Baka Bebojuma Edama Real Madrid on Popo Ekuno and no Edeba na nyame pana otwabe La Liga Baka na se Real Madrid and Real Sociedad and Babo refra or more pointing no refra ye friend Cesar Soto Grado on be the center refra obejama twairem was game na Real Madrid demete ese omaka che Vini Junior ese onya abotre emane mpenu nkotuma mpamrika ade omate ese opese Madrid derby no wotimi ebobi demete ene so mso onya abotre na on treaty eni plan kama emane empren ho eno edeba ye jam na Romo Barcelona so after international break no oma resume training na and Rob Barca team no etimi training kama emane EFA we train a Barcelona team no edin nura eno mo gym no enu e Ciudad Esportiva 1 Gampa but we training no ena enura omo edit training kama ama biaso ayefe bi biaso aye de eno ededawa ye jejamu edama na no pai e wo dwumade no so mamba bia João Felix and Robert Lewandowski omo training ya me fa me de acheme awurawura ma bobɔ me ni nyina no se ball na entofom e kwa passing credence sawa sincreden na wapia na bia ye fine eno e train eno etodwa ye de emano no na Barcelona Iñaki Williams ni nua ye friend Nico Williams or Bodman Spain national team no jam sasa Barcelona tracker akoda na che acha akoda ni agent akacha so many dia akoda na chi akacha akoda no dem tan contractor one beba na wie ye 2024 and until the mete as a Barcelona acha so more prepare for akoda never Nico Williams no and no tower me jam edema na deco on Sanrana officially Barcelona plan on to ma presentation no na deco ene anasechina one Javi Ebeshia no more dinkomo Javi contract extension ekosi 2025 already in common or more dead retire akasa official signature no epetima koso no opportunity kama edama Barcelona and no bebao so after international break resume training opium ball against Cadiz Bobo Ekuna and no ultra Iñaki Williams or Ghana Black Stars no wako back and a goalkeeper you say Unai Simon on nana and no omina joining team no we training kama I'm a biaso jeje na se biabako e was San Mames and no ededoa ye jam tama munano pai e wo dwumade no so na mamimram na ye nya dwumamamo ni nyina no se so piema e yade said the pride of London and we are Chelsea and one of the two anim as some third jersey no omotimi apa wontuma diaba na se wonam London ba bia omo penti chronom e ye Chelsea sa 18 blue and no omo e penti London say the pride of London or say jersey no e shita ba bia no bion sampa London chrono team ne gudape team ne bakope and no e Chelsea and no NHS taswa omo e penti London mountain so and no e dedawa ye jam ye try magua ne mami statement na what the abana no pay obaka no power tip up so me de magua on one kasani statement no me de bae edit to Holland bae ne mami ababon tin wo say je to ne ba no e more than football and no edit was as a mom seeing the level of negative and abusive comment in which my son is receiving from some fans pundits and the media is disgraceful and totally unacceptable to any walls of life, never mind someone who works his socks off who works his socks off for club and country. I was there in the stance as usual. It's not acceptable what been created over notching. It goes beyond football. Any threat messages and also Ebano and no Ededawa yet Emma pay na Brighton honor your friend Anthony Bloom and Akasa for the impactor or where your friend Roberto Di Zerbi or new boss no or where mono impact or them team kaka.
A lot of detail was exceptionally good in the latter years at Shakhtar Donetsk and at Sassuolo, but I didn't quite realise the impact he would have when he came in. I think it's very difficult to ever know the impact of any, whether it's a player, a coach, a head coach coming into the football club. He has been hugely influential for so many players.
And summer, let's a Brighton owner dia tuka as an impactor Roberto Di Zerbi diamono ombenyanka entwasosa maybe bia enkosomo and what you know so mo plan you know say Alexis McAllister ebeko Sanso and Moises Caicedo na domo ye.
Every transfer window has its difficulties and situations. It was not unexpected that Alexis and Moises have left the club in the summer, two exceptional players for our football club, but we've been prepared for a number of months and it's not always easy to get the right players in at the right time, but I'm really happy.
na so mo plan ye and mo prepare so me ko enti de mo replacement no atuma ya adwuma na nema me no kasa ya and no be touch down Riyadh 5 p.m. na flight no it delay be 2 hours na nema ya de say onam kwanso a okwa kopiem Riyadh na yantwa bra odu Barcelona no one Rafinha ni Marquinhos and at flight be piem Barcelona ansa na all to so akwa kopiem wo Riyadh ama bia so ye kama eno enema ono so travel no de ete eno no na mum jametin echina opem Saudi Arabia mu league no Al Hilal ebebo Riyadh jametin chances se nema bebo bi no eno so ewo form ye eno ededawa ye jejam edamamo na opem Real Valladolid o majority shareholder ye fe Ronaldo Nazario ono ena so fa bekaya on the 10th September na se eyade se protest no eguso ekoso Real Valladolid ebo game against LT was secunda binom for supporters no chant say on for team no to na onya ho enko so far upiem season is shase no 4 points per and omanya out of 5 games omotimi obono onya de oyeye no na omate ese wakwa piem kra wa sorry dem akobosu fa Ronaldo subo no to so Ronaldo so no so nyina urade ayebi oye gidi mapani onfa ne nyam sumni agro eno wakwa kobosu mo Mary atuma shawma ama bibia so ye kama eno eye na subo no okobo ne nura no ene daso no achi no omso wo bosu no ye Kristo ni dia emetete Real Valladolid for team no to na ja team no to na fama ye eno e de fans ne kan ye de amam e odwumade no so na Nottingham Forest omo opira bi ye fe no Harry Toffolo ono so no omo abane no 5 months na 5 man bana om de ato no so no e fe ni kira so wa admit wa jatum so no ankasa wa breachi eye betting rules no ade se wa breachi na de okopema ban no om se suspended ekosi 2024-2025 season na wie ye eno ba activity ama bia so atuma ye kama eno e de dawa ye de amam e wodwumade no so na opema Reading jamete ene omuso no ade se Ghana ade ankebedi nkrofo papa omo atimi ati omo another 3 points already no matter omo 1 point omo te Reading no omo se omo players in wages omo delay omo ntwa ne ntem into omo to omo 1 point and a 3 points and no omo sanja mo no omo se omo deadline say Tuesday no omo nkotwa sika to account num omo ntima nkotwa sika no enunti another 3 points omo se ati omo akomia the sports messiah brana suntobenya abotre aba be chire mututu na eso adi amamu yenyina so na nsema odo eboabo no na no pai e wo full time dwumadie so ye breaking it down touching it down knocking it down ejejamu yompo ne de ye mfansa na de akanyina ento asomamo
wahese wakosho akodi dwa hodo basket ma emu provisions ene nyoma hodo ehia opa we delay musa edru so na ukotua nso a yaka kire wo se untimi nchante ye me chance na ma na so ya keke na mom o de Vodafone cash dia uni how cry yaka ko bia say dia untimi de Vodafone cash etua merchant bia or what network bia so straight direct sharp enti say water provisions fuel inro iniane me kire say bia o pese wo ye bia no Vodafone cash amana ye mremremra ma o ye hia obe ya de say obe dial star 110 hash na tua ka ko merchant bia ho e wo network bia so Vodafone.
Play now Landio, Ghana's #1 casino game. Aviator Al Landio Betway Airport. Betway, for the love of the game. Bet the responsible way. Regulated by the Gaming Commission of Ghana. No under 18. Terms and conditions apply.
First days of Beat the Odds has concluded. Now that you're settled into the new season, you still have the chance to win. Beat the Odds this season and you can walk away with a grand prize of 250,000 cedis in cash, plus amazing weekly free bet prizes. Enter today. Visit betway.com.gh for more information. Regulated by the Gaming Commission of Ghana. No under 18. Terms and conditions apply. Betway, for the love of the game.
studying abroad can be tough. Top-tier Study Abroad Consult has made it easier for you with a team of 18 years studying and traveling abroad experience. We assist students in pursuing bachelor's, master's, postgraduate, and doctorate programs in US, Canada, UK, Australia, and among others. We provide SAT, IELTS, and TOEFL classes to aid you excel. We can help you get partial or full scholarship to study in the United States and Canada. Locate us at Kumasi Amakum, adjacent Bank of Africa. Call or text us on 0260411 or send us a WhatsApp message +1 646 659 5045. Accra office, Medina Rolling Circle, CC Hagan Plaza Building, opposite Medina Polyclinic. Call us on 020-3592-008. Takrade office, adjacent NK City Fire Service, Ifia Quanta Road, near Fijai School Park. Call us on 059-800-7852. Top tier, just study abroad with us. Top tier, we give you wings to study abroad. Top tier, our clients, our priority.
Sompa Sports.
Bra na minya Royal Foam mattress no. O how bebre na me komu. Medam panosweni na atom. Na mechi kase so na me honam nyina ya meya. Na de kume kra ne se. Ya no nso beda aso ape. Na wagya me. Na minya Royal Foam mattress no. Pa kwesi da aso ape. E na oye me ho ade. Congratulations dear, me fa no kwa. Asedan koma Royal Foam. Quality mattress papa pa fi. Oji aware Royal Foam. Wa manane relaxation aye de. Awoto so a wunya wo mu ne se. Royal Foam mattress eye papa. Eche yie, eye quilted mattress inti. Woda so a ama wona ye foam. Se woto mattress free Royal Foam a. Teche wo free pillows. Royal Foam aje abasobode e wo 12 Ghana Business and Financial Excellence Awards. Yet on quality duvets, curtains, beds, ne carpentry foams ahodo nyina bi. Hwehwe yen wo Royal Foam showrooms, any sales depots a ewo Ghana fana nyina. Frɛ 020-227-1000. Royal Foam, rest assured.
Introducing Pick 4 from Game Park Games, the easiest lottery to play and win. Pick 4 numbers from 0 to 9 up to 3 times a day to become one of our daily winners. More moolah, more power. Play online at www.gameparkgames.com or dial *946# to play. Game Park Games is regulated by the National Lottery Authority, not for persons under 18. Play responsibly. Pick 4 from Game Park Games. More moolah, more power. Sompa Sports.
No beso. O mayini yaw edubuachi. Onyame akoa. Ya wieye pray. Wade tumi ahyene no. Wo free food for thought. Adehye nyina. Ene yankwankwa bi a how dane so. September Liberty Conference. Epebaso. Na bebaso Maranatha Evangelistic Ministries. Kumasi Harper Road. Asemu ayakasa ho. Ye free asomafo se. Etiedio no nwochi. Temumi no. Akopem yensa. Acts chapter 28 verse 2 to 3. Shane so. Say we a burning of arrows. Part 2. Anopano sia pepepepe. Kopem Brown, Kunkru Bejaye, a 30th September, Kumasi Atum, Harper Road. Ajum to Freddy Jumtu, Beji Jumedia Papa, Minister Sete Champo, Yamami Mabel Archery, any resident worshipper, Minister Kwame Jedu. Wabet Sojom, Ajijumedia Papa, and Treffy, so how be those, Amania be those, or down every house, and Yamidi to me, Amani boy, or mine, Yao Edubuachi, Nasada, no Pronsamso, now Benya Pa, Esan say, O Yanko Pong, Abraham Moonage, not soon it to Quafram, or Quadio Quadumam, Cancania or dance, Wapay Yachu, Yamima. Edia who fed the Ebekoye fee. Bra, Liberty Conference, September edition. Oh, glory, hallelujah.
21st clinic a sciatica expert. Sciatica no, when nerves ne wo to ase na fa wo sire mu, na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no. se ho techema eno ene ye fa ne sciatica na etimi bubu oto ase ka wo se dwe wo srem woje ho ba bia enye na no na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu ye ntia basobo o magye no wo Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketewa wo mu gi international awards ahodo wo mu gi local awards ahodo na anu nso na wo mu bie the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim ha no ebi ni ba bia gi se 21st clinic nko a wo mu de bibiduro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho eya yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama ade ba ko a wo magye di wo mu pa no eye sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ni ade Ghana ha ba bia wo mo ho 0540311311 0540311311 na 21st clinic wo mo ye sciatica expert.
Alright, ya momodina yitimi to aso kiko on birthday special na Michael Akumia Dispose Messiah. Emrana yitimi shall see the come happy birthday from police woman CPL Alta. Ampofowa Joyce Enurwani HMO Police Clinic and Wokumasi Aono so policewoman happy birthday from Ananyame and Shapana Mandela di Pasono and Timi Emfa Emana Fi Salasi Sebuabe and Niso Ayon Sono Oda so happy birthday from Salasi Yazini Oye Cosmetics Ewe Dum prison strand about on our so Salasi special one in Remo Kama Pa and Timi Emfa Mananya Mandela di Nafino Adus Urwanichim David Medical Center Amante Yabraso Hana also owa ne ubejmanti ne oda happy birthday kwemfama bro na nyamisha papa na bibi under the friend greatness abena pebi odru orwani echi mu aguna swedra hona nso no woni oda o ma mesi nyamisha papa nyi na be penpa na de opebia emra mu kama so no entimi afama ntimamre na me ne Messiah entimi emra na monye krado no next herbal industry semenka emfantros yeri nu papa abidjama so no per quality herbal product next herbal industry shomo entimi era ba ns ointment yeri omo de aba ababira na stretch marks no wo ho a ya na kaka baby girls ne ya na ma akono kraba di ozore na nya ns ointment mi na bomode etimi de sha pimples adwuni maboso where you about you say na utin so anso bi egu na ntema proper and afi niam bi age ohonam na boso abepa choje ns ointment ni bi na beboa na eyi ni nyine fi ona aboa ma na makoyie pa etimi edi amo mutimfu no and afi wo uti no azefu abebi atututu no onye bi na abomode eyiso a eboa ma tinwi no efu kama pa na ne amo asa abomode dia awake nature capsules na ba eyema emma ene mema nyina ni nyina na se ni eba na ye nkwabo no ama na hoden sonko ama ejin na so etimi aye dwumanti no waye mre wompem oye bema afa wo abonzezu fita bi fi wade ni mu ba na bema nso prostate no niam ankoye odwonso a obre era afa low libido as a wa kono uni akono obonzo de no wo fom ba bosome so obunsa na jese niam anshara ne daye na afa nam yaye untimi ndidi ni nyina bre na etimi aboye awake natural capsules me bajo eneno obi a o ma kwada no fo na pemfo muntimi numbi na afa unya endi fie dumienu de ko animu a untimi numbi fa na mana ka 0245 079915 079915 na 0276 537701 0276 537701 no wani chemo akra o kan shi dragling wa bomodena wenye bi o kins walk eba rebesh ventures and afitena teteba on sabeka biko for you dia Gapson pharmacy and afi delight pharmacy onya bi nkoko Owuskopi pharmacy benye bi na afi no Hillside pharmacy na BB pharmacy kaswa tribe of Judah onya bi kumasi e dani eba Misty eba Kolinaka eba May pharmacy and a Kriske eba timamenko abrantia na ekrado na yemram ni antoza akomya bibi abokode
nyame adomahwe ni experience abudia bibi ade dedi
Victor Osimhen yanko anim
yes abu ansana mekono ma menwehye miankasa madamfo ene Dr. Buka damfo MC Bobby Zaro Dr. Buka so de nchi asoma pa MC Bobby Zaro nyamisha na onye okese na oma okwatenten nti unu nua Dr. Buka nyina na minimi nua Dr. Buka we show happy birthday Victor Osimhen Abu Dhabi the latest on his contract the details na mpesi edi won komo on say last summer you twa mu na na discusses over extending the contract na omadi nkomadrechi na likely say by this time krampo the nankoma sili the deal between ayomumienu no but abu entia ye nyanya na ye say the etia Victor Osimhen edile ni nyina na say on person obesign contract no ejina the amount of money Napoli person omodi shame in terms of the contract renewal na the etie the contract nankasa be 2025, which means in 2024 be kind of 1 year e won the contract ne so, which says Napoli anhwe ni ya price no mo pese omunya free Victor Osimhen ni no omunya that particular amount of money. It is say bia abu dia bia omo tena se no mo dwen no mo trim na tren no mo be trim no Victor Osimhen akache Napoli say omo fa release clause in shame release clause no so omo di be shame no enye active by 2024. Napoli pese release clause ne active by 2025. Victor Osimhen pese active by 2024. Napoli ade atum omuji tum no susu a scanner Napoli pese omoje ne in 2024 no enye ska Victor Osimhen akasa tena se dwen ho a realistic ma clubs on pese on be sign no Napoli propose 200 million euros for 2024 no nanka by 2025 reduce about 160 million euros for be opese to Victor Osimhen bia ana Victor Osimhen no susu gina say omon for 120 million euros in yedai ehiem ade obetimi aya abo o ma no say 120 million euros no so mo mane tena na ko 2025 a price ne beti about 75 million euros eno ana sisi ya no eda omo ne Napoli ntemo a akoye twen ne bra. It is someone to me and find an agreement assistance Victor Osimhen by 2025 and the contract in the by 2024 obesha say any clubs e di nkomo say Napoli ampne anyiska omope amfanto won ma obetime free on free agent in 2025 on person obe face the difficulties other players on mobile Napoli FAC were remaining loyal to them and he feels to say he did enough say even when Saudi Arabia sika ba nyina no one for sure almost obey day obeko so they should do the needful and make sure some bejiatum na no ho atono na no na Bernardo Silva contract with Union ye didn't come ko achi na Abu Dhabi there is a release clause o Bernardo Silva contract na release clause no enya mandatory searching na twan was Manchester City turned by 2024.
Oh okay.
It is a specific amount of mumienu na agiatum say ye nyina ye di shame say club bitimi meet that particular demand in terms of sikana ombejano amanako scano ASN and then 75 million euros. What was his can be piano? Oba Bernardo Silva, ebetimi free. Na wetimi eja wono mako. But on subject to performances and number of games obetimi abo Manchester City no. So timi bought a lot of games the more G League, edgy various trophies so the more. So obi the between 55 to 60 million euros bar Manchester City. E also musum na omoja Bernardo Silva. Emaniko Pimo any other club next season obetimi akwakosi akan. Chaloba on say Eddie Kamba stories time in time out said Nottingham Forest discuss last hour when it comes to the summer transfer window no Chelsea edge to move Abrante and decided so uncle. Now Chelsea ankasa a freezy Abrante we from training with the senior team also injury that I won't change. But in terms of team activities in your Chelsea may interested in making sure somebody Chaloba account.
Are they?
Abu Omuji 2 years said that deal no was uncle.
Oh, okay.
And I also an academic graduate. Normally, academic graduate, so auto or more, it is considered as a profit in terms of full amount now, Bejano.
Oh, okay.
By say auto play and if you baby then they buy you calculate a better film in terms of amortization, the number of years how they train this car na yatiti their film. But we say the end of the day, or academic graduate into career profit our Chelsea books this straight. It's in a Chelsea bent on selling academic graduates this last particular summer no. Because one person can no recording in a profit. Na etimi a balance the books and also metimi a reche a level bi metimi anya control over almost spending no a balance your books no it is 600 million what academic graduates and nyina be in terms of profits na the society may amount si can say no 60 million pounds na budi a straight profit it balance a lot of scar any the amount of money on spending on other players. But and then, you know, there is going to be a crucial meeting between Chaloba agents and Chelsea penny for this particular weekend. A commodity any say so mu free say Abrante no omu mano embo into this particular team by January. Omu pelo ne fama no fanko. Anya sa na ni enyi kura. Na I may say raise a lot of interquarrel between Chelsea penny for any academic coaches no more was say one kakra. They feel they have not been fair to the academic graduates of Chelsea and Sebi. Omo players na edru bebi na wo so omo te omo so mfaso a na afei omo piepie omo tiko e de omo ko bebi ni kwan say these particular players na de ko na bufo ni nyina ye say na Thomas Tuchel ni gine ho ye pa na nim say Thomas Tuchel ni gine ho a onyana na nkope ba entimi ankosa anfa ama no na no na abudia bi ye ni nkomo kakra yɛda sɔre ya Fabio Grosso and the yenim so si akan edema the Italian national team in World Cup 2006 omoji World Cup ne de si omo na so no wakwakoye coach di ama Lyon na abu okokoye coach di ma Lyon me busa me a lot of questions. He said this particular step I will take, is it the right option for him and also betime prove say eno and e man na obetime dey achieve results e was an insatimideka because this is a historical club. Let's not forget that Olympique Lyon are 7 times French Ligue 1 champions. They are 2 times Champions League semi-finalists. They are 1 time UEFA Intertoto Cup champions. And omo level no omo ba no mo raise with the French Ligue 1 no. Obi anim so Olympique Lyon they one year they cry the top 4 in the French Ligue 1 also die. Ya ko Champions League one year they cry they was at least semi-final and quarter final they also here dey. Udie. Na eno na outside the tone change in terms of developing young talents I want betimi aton mo de enyeska. From Florent Malouda, Karim Benzema, Juninho, Michael Essien. You betting up bolles na Erika Bidam go na ba. Aba become the call. It's in as much say unya results ya mo ne. I was a player tete mu no say e dey. Yehu. Now this is a coach or retire na no coach Juventus under 19.
Yes.
No call you know amfa as an assistant coach for 25 games Abu Dhabi na your man to 2 see in farmer no. Adwuma no beja honom de akọ yen hwe ne statistics bi ne numbers bi ne fa toto nyoma bi wonye hwe se adwuma de we say no ebetimi aboa na na se entimi emwa no in this particular aspect na abu we say Fabio Grosso in terms of the records bi ono so etimi aye as a coach assistant manager for Andrea Zaketa 25 games and am can state here no now on the contrary obeye manager proper after assistant manager no for Juventus in 2013-2014, 11th March 2014 to June 13th, 2017, 1,190 days, 116 matches, or winning 80 games, or draw 9 games, Elusu 27, or you 85 players. Now the average points per game, it's now 2.31, which means I was so. And consistently, in Abu Dhabi, you could feel that he was doing a very good job. And the Begina 2.15. Now from there, no any man the bigger job. Okofa Barry in Syria B. Barry no oyadumano for 1 year. 352 days, 46 matches, 20 wins, 14 draws, 12 losses. Players use 34 points per game. Aya 1.61. Abu that means ever from in context of the performances our Dynedy away Juventus. Then over Hellas Verona. Now Hellas Verona you relegate to omoko Syria B. Ya di omoko Syria B no and also so 1 year penalty me adwuma no or use 36 players, 13 wins, 13 draws, 0 losses. Average points 1.44. Then our FC Sion Brescia crowd and him go say this is his first Syria A appointment as a coach. Abu ya bought 3 matches no share go back okra olusu ni ensa nyina.
About 3 matches.
Our Syria A that is the top level hierarchy and fan so bedru here. Say Barry Muni Hellas Verona the Syria B. What I say so that level only the different from Syria A. The first appearance in Syria A as a coach no and no one obey you Brescia Abu Dhabi one share one goal kra 0.00 in the 3 matches.
Wow.
So you could feel say were they fair to him or not? To bet Mark say they were not fair because there was some money time. So the next job you get to try and prove a point. I no copy more Switzerland League, main league. Lugano ni me yi our Switzerland League. After 1 year na BM no 25 matches, 5 wins, 10 draws, 10 losses. Average points 1. Our fam. And no opportunity with Frosinone from 2021 to 2023. Abu, that means what checking the time frame now. Someone in Mremane the year obetima day. Obetima ye amount because there's an improvement over Sion there no. Obe PM of Frosinone no. Abu Dhabi oyadumane 2 years and 829 days, 86 matches, 42 wins, 24 draws, 20 losses, 68 players will average 1.74 points per game. But enosasu is Syria B. So it raises in as much as confidence that on a time obey adwuma. There are doubts and mesasu raises say yedif adwuma yama Fabio Grosso yi e wo Lyon no. French League A so your top hierarchy league and also obetimi perform ana. Now in our comparative analysis here, yes, in our comparative analysis here, obere nipa omuye di ama Fabio Grosso ababeye adwuma no. Laurent Blanc na okono ono ni record ye say Olympique Lyon. On only the 337 days, 37 matches, 18 wins, 7 draws, 12 losses. On only using 35 players or averaging 1.65 points per game. Which means what the two for Sinoni now and points per game no was so about only 2 years with more matches. But we also spending less matches by numbers near okay. So personally, in terms of comparative analysis, you know, the Metimaka say Lyon is a bigger job than Frosinone na Fabio Grosso no. And Italian coaches, we tend to see them say Biomutimi there. By points accumulation, look, they're moving from Laurent Blanc to Fabio Grosso is a drop off. Because we bought lesser matches, he has better points per game, and Abu, you definitely have to compare it and fully understand it. Now me say Abu Dhabi, Fabio Grosso who ko chiri ni anasa compare Juma ya kwa koyi. Ade ba kwa me pese ye hwa ansa na me de sipa. Abu Dhabi intoko ekoso between Eric Ten Hag and JD Sancho. Abu, yan hwa de bi kakra. There has been issues and questions that has been raised. The edi kan. Ebi tutu mi say o Ten Hag ne kwa won improve JD Sancho. Iti wonu won kwan kra so be ka che JD Sancho say training now man kwa no be ma na atena nchen. Ebi so gina say JD Sancho mo ade. Instead so be yire no wan training na say o twetwe ne na ase kakra. What did they mention as no? But in terms of these statistics and numbers no, will you agree with people who say Eric Ten Hag improve JD Sancho na? We end last season moving from Borussia Dortmund. We end the season under Ole Gunnar Solskjaer, Ralf Rangnick. And we end the season under Eric Ten Hag. It is all the numbers need to 2 year. In terms of Opta Performance Index, see rating the performances in a season. The Oya dear pan a season of under Ole Gunnar Solskjaer.
Yes.
Per the numbers here we screen you see. Then Abu Dhabi, the number of games played even under Ole Gunnar Solskjaer was 29 games. Or started 20 games. Anna you didn't buy approximately after 1 or 2 games behind a 71 back. But baby a hunya pano, a branch and ankasano the qualities ekutan in terms of goals, assisting and chances creation. Now, o check here at Borussia Dortmund the standard was there. 0.5 assists per 90 minutes, 3 chances created per every single 90 minutes. Passes attempted 56 per every single 19 minutes. But compared between the time at under Ole Gunnar Solskjaer and Eric Ten Hag, at under Ole Gunnar Solskjaer now average 0.2, which is equal to the area under Ten Hag. Chances created 2, under Ten Hag 2.4 per 90 minutes. That means 0.4 per. And I become passes completed 44.3 under Ten Hag 39.7. Completed 37 under Ten Hag 33.8. Abu Dhabi, or the crosses even accuracy as a winger. And the Ole Gunnar Solskjaer 28.57 and Ten Hag 17.65. So per the numbers, you know, it shows that under Eric Ten Hag, JD Sancho has not been able to meet the total numbers also to meet it and omit here under Ole Gunnar Solskjaer, which is a problem. And you might agree with people who say Eric Ten Hag ain't improving, you know. But the only way you can speak some for Eric Ten Hag and say this was a season that JD Sancho had issues of free team for about 3 months. Echo share baby. Our coach ni making sure see in training no one to so back and some of believe up to expectations. And you know, you a little bit of improvement in terms of the performances. And then this season, the coach ni expect to say on page no to meet up to at least the standard of the Borussia Dortmund. So from the coach's perspective, I think Eric Ten Hag has not improved Sancho due to the numbers are media tuja. But on a very realistic note, you understand that last season on also went to me numbers no. Ultimate fan Eric Ten Hag nko Sancho nankasa no na mentally no he was not okay. He moved aside. It is these two parties involved no. They should settle down and make sure somebody better. But Sancho expectation is on high because only £350,000 a week. Oh, Manchester United. And the numbers are Borussia Dortmund no. You need to be consistent. You need to move it up.
Bante, me da sepa komia no dia de baba bra Ricardo zo ompombo ko de.
Ah, bibia fine.
Bibia ko kama. Ma yemra mo asimadu ansana Bishop aba. Na me ne na wi ama no ne de na afia tie simofie. O de me fine ne.
Abu untimi mforte Tony Bloom say obo deserve abaso. And oye una na so you be a team anim. Now take the session, not the session no koye de ma say ya. Said the obekani because after say Porter call ya okofa deserve abano many didn't even seconds up adena away no mostly omo no mudin komo England hono because each and every time no more pomo there and the other people they believe say as all the system for ba system no shada in favor mun to mun shada ni hon komo we've seen how our no can Pep Guardiola say mo ba no we making everything right. Say no music out there 20. Is everybody no? Say oh her sin say appoint no mo be far Brighton adwuma na. E kan akwa say bibia no oye no oye ni. A team like Brighton now points aye G per games or total 7th in the Premier League. It tells you adwuma waye. In the Premier League, Manchester City ne standard no. Yes. For bare 5 years ni. Yes. They are the standard. Nti say ono mo boy. You know, say we mu na yepesi eduru and so we share goals are washa. He's third with 69 goals, and so expected goals are first. This over 70.1. And no chances are creating. A team like Brighton, how our budget it here? Said almost 10 players. Now still, with Jinamo, yes, the moment tells you as move around and so we're short or the first, short on target or the first, and possession or the second. That is to Manchester City. Penny Lady. It tells you as you deserve Yaba. And Obayano will lay down the mark each and every time when it teams like Bobia, you could see say yes, this man is working. And this weekend Manchester United from before we there here because the last 3 matches now show and he's the only Premier League side in the Premier League or more every year Old Trafford last season. So this weekend they are the end of the year they will have a big come but a Dumo run a year Eddie Amono tells you the entire Tony Ebon about you. And he's someone each and every time he sound confident. Go ahead, I'm on church. I pray on Caicedo. He was someone I feels that if say Caicedo qua, he will replace him, and replacing is why they will come and do the job for him. McAllister, cause still you could see that Brighton team said the shape and everything on my body and still it was so more a year Juma. So the Zebia year Juma, and this tells England for one say the managers nearby they feel that we munya and Crawford and Paul Masseman we are back. Pep the Lula Babachere, and Tuno Conte Babachere. So now, as a Saturday, we are not entry city, the Tony Bloom one of us, and it will continue. Johannes can or bomb by a bet snatcher, but the Zebi will be uncompromised. When he feels that these things are the way I say, no one and say, I don't be Javako. And now they are entering into Europe. He's been consistent with teams that coach the star near pair or say a lot of goals and or concede a lot of goals. And any idea one home. So if moving forward, no, we bet man making a difference, no water tight or my actual pump area bought me from the Brighton in Europe. Na idea we bet my home body. But so when the numbers, or when you ma why this factor say run and so it's in Bonabaso bus body or no and no. Mahu Victor Osimhen be say was 10 goals in the qualifiers. And Mihu Sadanam say ampa. What Teresa Oba Africa ha now udinamu pass African business ultimate. It's not because say Bia was 10 goals in the AFCON qualifiers, but say 33 years. Ultimately we need a Scudetto for Napoli. Now you're the first African to win the gold king for Italy, and now African Biabo Italy. Yes. We've seen Kanu, we've seen Samuel Eto'o. So what I say, we've seen the great Ria. No, not Messi account for Italy. Or much money go Kino. And for a player like here Osimhen, why the new Osimhen from Babu Friba to step into the Italian Serie A, win games for Team FN in Napoli, and win the Scudetto for them. A woman want to find the team Nigeria and qualify for the World Cup. But the AFCON and every time I want Babi Jinam he's performing. And I am adding, so you see the players performing out there in Europe. On Africa,
we already listed no crowd to so no Mudia. Ozi will be more a big answer. This Mohamed Salah, Sadio Mane was actually to all baby. Oko mu teams the Juma more year. I mean, on follow within top no crowd. Masala so Gamano.
Obia Obia to pay. But to Africa, how you as of was meant to be doing that. Now, oh yes, I had man for Napoli. I think say we deserve it. And in the year under review. Me who be a instrumental to the team or African more than Osimhen.
Oh, okay.
Obi or what they are, but me who's will be in the team or carrying the team on his shoulders. Obi but you was in chain, making sure say the maximum point and Sabeka at a money team. I don't think to be about close to Osimhen. And Jumana or you know, African best in there. Let say or Fakufia.
So this is your top 3 African best players season and the review.
The top 3 no
or no
Beba.
Now I mean
Mohamed Salah will definitely come.
Now I mean
then you add Sadio Mane.
Last season money ye change Riyad Mahrez name.
Riyad Mahrez there.
Onana as well.
Obano Ebonoko. Onana from Ayas will be room by Hania Mago keepers in that chance.
Oh okay.
You got me here now meant the edge man. I was rooting for him to win there.
So winning African
but the way to go here.
But Onana mun consider season and the review near you and Ricardo.
Season and the review near yeah. But we are from a place where more mama performance now. There's one thing a here consistent goals. So what you say? And maybe I make for our sister why many year my goalkeepers no chance ha.
Oh, okay.
And award the be of course we be a sign e come akwa because you will say who goalkeeper be ya equally to say obi ahye goal. But you will be a shadow and press hard and so me and na betimi dia momo say they've been super. Maybe we might consider Unana but this top 3 there or me go for betimi abomo abedi juma and so timo ho. Abu, how do you feel about a branch of Jude Bellingham?
Jude Bellingham?
Yes.
Oh, he's a fine player, but he can't be there.
Early days yet.
Yeah.
But if you look at him, aside the talent, aside Nyomo Yewo Park and so, the goals he scores and everything, he's very strong.
Yes.
At the age of 20, there are not many of his age, and you catch them say, the real we are strong and how we see talent and nobody will continue. This season, 6 games for club and country, 6 goals and 2 assists.
Wow.
So Real Madrid are one of the top teams currently we are say. England national team one of the top teams currently we are when they come to national football. And we could be watching to know Jumano and so me at the moment. If you look at him, for the price tag done so from Borussia Dortmund to Real Madrid to come into that setup, a team of Toni Kroos, a team of newcomers, Omanini, but for him to get that pressure off his shoulders, step in and leading the team. He's won many points for Team and Real Madrid.
Yes.
When everything seems lost for Real Madrid, he comes in and he delivers. And gradually, he's been that leader. Ewan Finfio, Toni Kroos more, and no one can air qua on a babelidi. Who has and gave you going to belly because who have ever do team na check a cra and Tibia going to belly come a vinga view, but only Lydia, you know. And there's something very good. And now, Saturday Nabako Abba. England national team, you know, because they have people that they are playing under teams are a lot of pressure. You need to deliver. So when you go there and you deliver, now Rom and so on national team, then they can for you to also deliver. Last on Harry Maguire, target him protecting. On there so starting to protect Harry Maguire. He's instrumental to England performance when it comes to football because they build from the back and he's very good at that. But the last month, no man found from Harry Maguire. And yet
Abi yo ba 7 dey na also body man ya man. Uni ade omo dey no no.
Ti agro se sia akọ
Ba de omo dey no no. A fi football mo. Abe personal.
Eno ti na me
ka. Me course bia Man United for na ye ne sa.
Exactly.
United for na ye ne sa. Be onim.
Friend.
Eh, ra sa de we betima to nipa bia. Magwa onya de onim so onya de. But United for na man ba be say we no. Fiso mu team ni to na play our ba wasa na team Mikel Sylvester mu nyina bebo bi
and this but sometimes people become victim of circumstances need any bia no
de omo enya kra o
but the entire just say say time na enko yem from Manchester United no it me bo pa de England.
Yes,
the last success story England for into omaye no in the World Cup omdom was semis Euros or omdom final he was part of it or instrumental or by England man lifeline because no boat me bo. But now want to me for so protecting no.
Saturday, me did video about the to her. You be saying say didn't know you train every national team was in the more club side no. Enye. Na kla o ho na o mobo active. Ohun ni nti also the bobo national team. Kevin Phillips o boy.
O mobo. Now no grab who's over England is 8. So the
for you to pick Phillips ahead of Ward Prowse. This season 3 goals involvement in 4 Premier League games.
Bishop mo amo ben edinkatia on. Bishop mo amo ben edinkatia we shafa mo mo kasa no ntete pa me na me support obo magana. Omo fi no. Oye no omo de bo international matches na be edin mana. Wa we ono so be bat say enya kiba ya ase nani fi no wo so ka cross struggle no. Ti bishop mo amo ben no mo ne nkasa. One friend match we no kra no. Ah okwa kra me say bench kra no mo ma ne ntra bi o.
Sister person ti o ma si ya. Yeah, I had bola video. I'm not there. You were doing Sompa Sports.
Ricardo Debate.
I saw no starting no protecting. Sometimes the people who are so unya break. Ebia or part of never be our share, but how you hear break. Nema men some now Canada, Manfu Nyai, into a break nano here. Because the last 2 games, that's the own goals, whatever Manchester United do. And no some Shebo England.
But Omo no.
Obambia BBC.
The United for no. A Omo team never affect you. On them never boba.
A
chassis fee, Mason Greenwood, and Anthony, JD Sancho, and Harry Maguire. The Omoya no more here. About Kwana Baba Boy, Ten Hag, now one Casaso.
On one Casa now he is sitting on a time bomb.
Bishop, Say bibi aboko there.
Adomara kwa.
Remember me around no Lucas Travel Consult Semenka. And Jose Canada, USA, UK, France, Greece, Germany, Netherlands, Australia, Robert Okosua de Okotranwa Yejuma. Additional Crabwaji scholarship e man. Ize me wonu ze. Yeze no mon tutu yemu no uniska kra frɛ ne omunni nkomo. Yewie bibia visa na ba no na waba betwa sika. Wajo passport na fa kwantu no yetimi de wawram kama pe Lucas Travel Consult nko a. And abenya so per passport birth certificate bank statement de aka kare beboa na ye de amatema golf situ nyo mo number ni 0534 543210 0534 543210 na oni omo di nkomo na aboa na ma de dadi pa etimi da mo ze Ghana ye per marketing manager sales personnel receptionist administrators shop attendant na house helps na accountant na ni omo etimi abojuma bi obi na ye rerom na o de me fine
e dia gwas makoka chem mami
na niam na nko yo nka
nka chem mami na makoka chem mami makoka chem mami nko na mami sisi
niam na nko yi no ma
makoka chem mami makoka chem mami ade di agro se makoka chem mami makoka chem mami sisi kwekwa asema uni pa kaya yesu ya tia ya jini si makoka chem mami sisi
mede meta na
jini mami ise metie na me ye badwuma na me nye ni ye na mo semia na sisi ya release long statement me bata de mi nsi ni form na kwanya mo de me nam so masa Masa, yabre, we in the professional life. Deal with it. Yehuru no, wase ne ba ni yehuru na ye ende.
Azi yehuru no. Ni yehuru bi omo keka ni ade na ha ma me no.
Don't tell you. Eko Anton Ferdinand here in New Year. Mo kai statement ne ba ko be kai. Masa, I understand, I empathize players. But my media far-fetched. My God, should own up. How many times do the players attempt?
Now they don't catch any mammy. Never know who's at your body at the battle. That's how or pack it Zubi.
May say, almost 2018 now. Number go near Busafoni in a picture, no more seriously. Nay, come on, Russia on. On make a beach lobby. Dabi. On boy heroes now come on make a beach lobby. Massa. A day is made up of darkness and day. 24 hours, no. It will soon any or high. A high bar, soon beba. Soon by high beba. Tough times never last. Tough people do.
They were abroso.
The more foreigners who come on, yeah, maybe.
Sompa Sports.
Huh?
Sure, we are abroso.
Me say, who can zoom us or Boba de Moyano? Yeah, Murun is a day. Look, meow, 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 meow. Who put the cat out? Zuma. Meow, meow. Baby, Bob, yeah. No posing for set to animal. Ne born in the same. Butu okra. Huh? I have no problem with a mother standing up for the son. And my Mrs. Anna Kobe. Me na me man the coin because this is my professional choice. Mami, Obano Mosi on Yadi. Branty free Leicester na me wo. Kesven dead Franco Nero. You to also say he's one of the best defenders in England. I'm saying England how he top 15 centre backs crowd we on count. It sounds about Manchester United in tea. And now na mu ye yiri I feel them also wasa disgraceful in come up among every team them. He never had supporters in the church. They were forcing him out of the club. Uncle West Ham. Maguire is now a subject of public ridicule. Maguire onye West defender. And na Premier League titles Brambo bunyi na Ambobi. Masa. Omude amono asebesi afi na mujina na muye yi. National team you're born on merit. He is not playing on merit. Yep. Muna mubajiji.
Adi yole boka wa never. Onyo ne mo never.
Me copy defenders bra.
Why England?
Aye.
England they top defender be no top chair Maguire.
Me da say.
England carrying defender be no top chair. Oh, Obebo. Say issues never buy. Ombo is ya ombo.
So, me di agro efichire na obi aboa. Se mo ka che ma.
Enyo na ka che ne ma. Chama, me say enyo na ka ma, me na wudi omo de ye ne ba na oka bi.
Kwaku.
Omo de ye ne ba na ye na oka.
Kwaku.
Asem na areho.
Kwaku. Asem be na areho.
Ati magwa nko na defend aba England onya de.
Na de na chese onya de. National team ajole let's cut ni abobi.
Anti na why. E mo United for na yes ah. Omo na yes.
I'm going to tell my madam go.
United for na yes.
Mo nya de masa. Omo Ten Hag no one ska spending in 1 year.
Yes.
team no gunu akomia say Sancho improve here it cannot be Ten Hag sport alone e be blame me now no me tell me say improve Sancho say improving na me o na mo bredo na be said no any and I saw Saka o team hey Tracy Mr. Tracy Brony, catch it. You dare not. The last thing you raised, you dare not. My friend, let me see. You're the club now. See a developing player. They hag.
Yeah, be poor myself.
Master.
Me for the first time, man on same team no.
On same team be
last time Uber Rezi concern be wa. And the same thing na Gary Sadgate here in England. As a or boys na ono ya do mo na.
No de mo bobo no.
E no na egu United no.
U team no.
And boys ya do mo no.
Boys bang.
Boys where fan.
And the Biala Bishop better than because offend loyalty man. They no offend loyalty man.
Good. You see?
Why do you call him loyalty man?
Apples to oranges akomia.
Oh, come on.
Yeah, I want to help you.
Come on. Who was your club before Liverpool? Apart from the Champions League final and the league.
Don't even try.
No.
Don't even try.
The first 3 seasons for England. The first 3 seasons for England.
Don't even.
Bishop oh, na muntie mi ana. Muntie mi. Ahomia. Me you if ya o. Omre twam David Tracy enko. Bishop meet you.
Aha, mirati. Akoga che de mami. You I go to tell my mother.
Me say no na kind.
Cristiano Ronaldo say I'm going to tell Piers Morgan. Let the team back home. Oh, be a man was so ah. You go catch Obi. Na na mu good team na na.
Piers Morgan as well afraid Sancho. Say I read your bro be boa.
Ready you have.
The biggest problem at Manchester United.
There's no problem. It's a good team. A very rich team.
Bishop.
World record shirt sponsorship deal. World record kit sponsorship deal. What's the only problem, my friend? Don't even try. This is the greatest team the world has ever seen. Real Madrid cramba. And then the problem, don't even
no,
try.
John the problem we have.
There's no problem. We have money.
Power.
What is player power?
Because meba.
What is player power?
We go to a time. Yakofa manager saying me Jose Mourinho. It got to a point in time the club chose players like Paul Pogba and Anthony Martial over Jose Mourinho because Joe Glazer point blank ekatre Edward Wood mo playing say masa Anthony Martial niba ya mane nko ontena ye be ma Jose Mourinho ayedai ye be ma na ko. We've seen players omasodiatia managers we've accepted the players over these particular managers and left and the go club and we give them huge salaries.
Hey.
350,000 pounds a week. You might be 250,000. Meanwhile, they don't even merit.
Double bar person, double bar tune. Send me will be here and come in car.
Nibi.
Dimaya give. No my boat who. Hey. Okay, supposed to lie in the month as a man of Kajamwa. When you assistant million, need 250,000. Now, so come on, Messi Mount. So, when you I feel they see more big wages. Look, you see, Bonucci or buy a friend of Matteo. Nebani Nyasa, neurological illness, Nibi. But, my friend, one of Bonucci lawyers, case with me, my friend Antonio Conte, and your coach. Bonucci, sir, case in a to the point, say, Calcagno, PFAG Italy chapter, president, no. Intervene say Juventus for a man JC number no man in training our commerce still money for the US store clearly no money they were forcing him out. Now the player has decided to seek damages. Now when you scanner or the people call Akoma Neuroland NGO awati now the people call Regina Margarita Hospital, but they are here and about no Torino. So clearly, this is not Juventus. Juventus were quite humble, so I'm over film a bra pressure for a player who has played over 500 games over 2 spells. Say na Rihanna or call Union Berlin. Now need team no air call down the drains are there. Mira may somewhere in ye. And then they are that change a 36-year-old in some. We are German Football Federation, the greatest European nation. In terms of innovation in football and success, its correlation. The Dosha football band DFB, Sani FM. And then, officer, you made the Ebeko Sunin and say, coach Ben Eba. Neno ena no Indof. Oni Rudivola. Omakasa na Rudivola se osan koye na dwuma sporting director. Nemo mamon frɛ Volkastruth. Ono no na Nigelsman. The agent and say Nigelsman Embra. No, I've actually they are even trying to iron out a contract. Your mining destiny. 36-year-old in some. I'm a skeptic. I'm a skeptic. I'm a big skeptic. Unless, say, Xabi Alonso heading in Liverpool status, no Champions League, no G, no, any more right? Many people in the football inside caucus, GD said this is the next Liverpool manager. Yes.
I'll go through Cameroon or by Meneki.
Choupo-Moting.
Why Pana Ninyamiso?
No, only I do Unimejuma. Okay, Unimejuma. He has demonstrated. Unimejuma and Subaino. Until I say, national team on that time. Kwaku, video with this is the next Bundes trainer, Herr Julian Nagelsmann. No asema na Kent. See Germany Dutch in 36-year-old in some. Julian Nagelsmann. He's coming to take over the job. Mira, yeah, twaso. And then I told you say, Sir Liverpool in the summer triggered a clause in Alisson's contract. And they say Alisson is among the top 3 earners at the club. Alisson Beckham is the best goalkeeper in the Premier League.
Yeah.
He's among the top 3 earners. Mimi Jidi say, ono na also man is carried up our Liverpool team.
I always say, I'll give you a kind of some other best goalkeeper Premier League. I won't treat him. I react you don't do.
I react now. Would there be Kutwa soon?
So we won't go that power.
Obiami, come on. Obin that out. Yeah. Kwakwa a cheat code.
Unia strong 10 once. Onana ni go that Charles yana.
Oh! Diana ni abria wo Diana.
Onana ni go that Charles.
Diana. Nick Pope grow too no go to na o ka do baba hani padrim. So ntino kwaku die hu wo mni say sana anasa for no mo PIF no no. Kwaku Sebonda ne sa France for no foot mercato for no we kan. Liverpool players in the Saudi Arabia pen this summer pa no is all free wa. Na ya listen. Sa anasa for no actually approached him. Enra ye be kan sem bi wa ha. Mira. Mama mfon ti ase mi akra na tere bia me jimi nwa chinya akomia. Me tufu me ofase. Obra wubui. Usuro Maria Suraban.
You Suraban.
Usuro ma.
Oze ne wadi ka ka che dada.
Na usuro Maria Suraban. The Republic. Aban.
Ya suro ma na wi Suraban.
Ayin.
Ere Suraban so wi suro ma na third one ba.
Na bi den de jambo cheba. But because Aban betimi asoma say Aban panyi pa e ba ofie no abedidi bo so ani age. Na no abeye business meeting deals. Contract bi amoko sign. No ama na ni age ano ape young games bi ama no awie na no ono member mo de mo so ani. No afre o yire no mba mo gift. Beku akobi envelope mu dollars ni ade. Okwa bonte hono no akai se waja bibi ofie no asa be fa ne bag o cheda no ja o. No waja pada keto bi ato porch mu flower porch no. No wakọ wadwin ni so ni ntino. Okura nkohwe ho.
Oh, I hear why you feel kama to any age.
2 days later, I was at the National Security for Bombe cocaine raid. Now, who the cocaine here? There, I'm passing over maybe down. Okay, I said, now, I say Romania or trust no. Romania police, national security, any national team security, and then you go Kasai. A brand no more Kosovo for this arm. Now, all trust near from Umiti sub tricolor on my release statement, and into the also money na Munsura buying. Mama you home statement.
Sompa Sports.
Thanks to all the supporters who were with us at the game last night and with whom we conveyed this historical truth, one that is supported also by the Romanian state and which according to the constitution of our country can be affirmed in any way and anywhere regardless of the circles of bad taste provoked by the Kosovo team in complicity with the referee and the UEFA observer. There is only one truth, and it must not be censored. Kosovo is Serbia. Now I'm picking the first sentence again. Thanks to all the supporters who were with us at the game last night, and with whom we have conveyed this historical truth, one that is also supported by the Romanian.
Yes, we no.
Ordinary kum ema salary increase.
Wafa chiri olo ababeji.
Petrol wa. Inti salary increase no dey about. Obeji no haya. Kwaku international window here boy. When is modimo so any pa.
Players are going in other countries no.
No bit me do any afem obi or impressive.
Players are going no. Jude Bellingham.
Nkran
de Kran is every day yina me hu no and it's nyama.
Small boys no buy no. Can nyama dey yan there.
About can outside you know.
Can reprise no number.
I da Ecuador new boy no.
Onimbo pow.
When I was 16 years and I 16 years. And onimbo boss ah.
No bump you for ball. Oh, Chelsea for no more player on their hands. He's a gem. No. Problem here, Nathan, the Nintendo and can make all out and pay.
Sir.
Oh yes, this
Nathan,
he's destined for Ballon d'Or.
Accra.
Yeah. Maybe another 20 World Cup no.
So is it Accra about winning bobo?
Sompa sports.
I say do
on Zunimbo.
Ball.
Yeah. But can reprise now Independiente de la Valle on Kokunimbo. Chelsea have a real gold mine. Onimbo. And then Nathan. Can we reason the Ballon d'Or? See, I'm a team no. No more Nathan Nintino. Am I na?
Maybe can no man a chance come and I'm senior team no because ka wo hwe anymore. Ka was on no any Cesare Casade plus Andrew Santos now say Chelsea future midfield 3.
Our man is
touch
and go.
Touch.
Ka mo miensa and was say Chelsea future midfield 3. But I say Chelsea future midfield 3 no. Enzo. Kaisedo. Lavia.
Dachano. As obuzo mumfie no wofo.
Omumfie no wofem. No.
The omono be seen kwada we mono kwan.
No.
Is a BBC.
No.
Nyeze be den kakra.
No asem na no aka.
Ye dia grass go catch him man. Can you price what is what go catch him man say okobu dina park so ye
wanko kan che ne man.
Go catch him man.
The woman say
go catch him man.
Omodi ye magwa.
Catch him man.
Now the
my disappointed in him.
Magwa there ba say turn na begina.
My disappointed in him.
And obeto yo ba no Erade atasu yo te say that say.
Nabu
Elo kai ela adeche wasa betra beto nyom.
Em so nua de ni wiase oba ye nyina ye ne ahye na nimunyam. Won we interview why ya won for Manchester United captain in Bermuda. Won we interview Harry Maguire. One for Manchester United captain in Bermuda.
And no was a mubu no.
Yen
problem we nyina emo.
Yen ene ye pagya wo. Na we interview gina ba bia wo se my Manchester United captain da. My Manchester United captain. Me see interview bay ana Maguire
about the boy here na akoto de 80 million de la ba ozo na pagya.
Me see na players e tom 80 million no mo na e bi.
Mukara maba be say no.
Best time Manchester United for almost all say players ba.
Ah, mo na wa be say nipa no na
na mu na fi bila reba no ye campaign do.
Drum na so bo adwuma ba be say.
Mo bani na ba Sancho that be Manchester say
ba be say na Antonio Marcel ba na hwan ni bia ni so akwa gira na so de ade. Why wa be this akwa aye ni definitely ade abeki cameras kakara me na mo na me kweti me ba na be your brother for that was Ghana Premier League obobi
no me simba baby sir because because me I feel bad kakra
uli azeblo ka de alo edi o
na oyo obi a football not the passion level wa no no ashama obi a
yeah
pass amen say the obuye nkosi aga no eno na ye me ya
no let's have look at it.
I'm not doing.
Yes, as ye me ano na cho. Uni ababu body mi wa no pe ma me kura me yamashi mi akome a.
Ntino.
O se ye de di ne nye 2000 no mo se ne move to Lions anko. Etino na Dominica di Lions to be in one na 20 nim de ekoje no. E no be replace no. Eno so ejo so kai so fe the Black Stars na be chem ni okwa ubebo no. O wa na maso ekon do be ka chere say okwa FA final no. Ehia che Black Stars match no ball no. Onya bi mbo.
Emerson Kredu was honest.
The all kind of mum dey from ba bi na no kreba no hu ne say so no net Black Stars campaign on the soro na team catches or kobo efi card dia wanye farmer no ono sa no hu no openiye na bia waka openiye ono hu ohunu won wa mo
o man shekwa wa abet trophy awaje we
ka ni baby a bara na ono de hu ne ze dabi so lanka wo so kawo
but there ya 2009 there no
Adu coach Wellington already you know how it
but abrabon what they koba you see the dynamics of destiny any say to the bia utini obi shebre din sisan within the twinkle of an eye
Wellington no san bi shia no can find that the job
asama me kan hu ana
elutia okay afena akwame asa watchwa enuntia
no
abobi yo zata nya platform bi say zata dey the course work can find that pay di odi kan boy Wellington say na coach no and na okay akwame ameda so dey ba me na me bra
o de kobra
why ma me kobra na ye tc LT me na me kan message ne kakra na ye confirm na the account so you boatin ye be watching live and there are 2 clubs in Ghana Kotoko and the rest Fabulous still the greatest greetings John Abo Amu Uku MC Achema Mwabieja South Sabri Samuel good job done Sompa TV I'm watching live from Volta region hold on so na the Baba Kennedy Kwabna Ofosu you are live at Bogo so keep up the good work greetings to sister Brefi of Abuama Dumase thanks scriptures GH I'm watching live from University of Mines and Technology Campus Takwa UMAT campus now we supporters of Mediama has given Takwa TNA Park to the National Source Authority. Why they should understand is simple. Share my greetings to Pastor Augustine Alnunu ICGC Lion Temple Takwa Banso New Side no the Baba Danete Ata O Masa Nyano Kre Usu Gideon I love some passport out of Kuju Tete Abu Dhabi watch you live from a Shaiman and here the ono sono the Baba Ramana Fiwaid Nidia no so Sompa TV keep up the good work Usu Gideon Abu keep the fire Benana and Sama watch you live from a Konsuko Jokru more fire Sompa so Papa Graham Benson keep the fire burning good work done Haj Lukman some of you you don't know anything about football yes it here and I agree with everything and here the ono so the best said Kuku Murphy champion Abu the best sports show in Ghana and I feel Sophie Maria Bomodia 5 emojis no and on team the ram 21st connect semenka and fan show so we expecting Siatica or me juma mo bona no edempa what transit amount 12 ntino etwetwe niam sheda enkoyi entimi emfa mo wo hwe na owuram ne ebo na nema da yie pa etimi ede ma wan we debi no o baba bebubu ntie 21st nko na ebebo ankofo fi amano ne eba beja ya isa ya ye bi edunya fruti so babesi una se no say stroke diabetes ne de aka 21st connect ne be na ya bo mo lab kese a ye bedoso na bibia ye ne hye no ya bo mo de ye de atos scan services no mo ye massage no makase Friday be after work to fa ho ye the machine treatment no ebesa kan ho more than 15 branches Ghana bibia omo ye djuma Kumasi ahwe overseas junction omo be na free radio obase cancel court score junction be nyom akra domi market tu nyom na sunyane nkranza any teachman omo bo djuma number nie 0249 311 0249 311 0540 311 0540 311 nyambwa na ne manko ye print me fa kase mattress ba kope eno an ye da so ebo man ahoden me kon ye me ha ye me ya ni nyina to atwa ni nyina se Royal Foam Ghana o mattress no Royal Foam mattress no so ko na kokko jibi na da so a obe Philippa na abo na bibia adeda ye pa etimi edi amana munkomo no de man ye denie ye se no to a eche wato no so no ye se abomodin ache osumye kwa e free sunye pa beda so afa adwempa era ba abrobo pa na ne makoye peda mom djuma pa Royal Foam Ghana ye nti ye bomodin a and the 16th Ashanti Business Excellence Award they organize here 20th anniversary the motum for say to the second no ye mom good award nya no kon 12 Ghana Business and Financial Services Excellence Award no ye sam mom award kese a e cheso mo bodjuma eni ko na koko ramo e wo mo factory premises so izanzo mabomodin a ultramodern showroom aba so open kunya open pa omo mattress dudo bi apebia no asokore mamponu fiwa na ko CCC enti ramuni ambo na ne mandeda dimpa emfa Royal Foam rest assured for na manefo ni omo ni nkomo ne ambo na so no on sanka 0202 27 1000 0202 27 1000 mame na me ho me kwere ba pe ni da kon eramu fidie mana weekend crop ya gina kono ye bedidi nkomo do na de da ho ne akwere aba
wahwese wakosho akodi dwa hodo basket ma emu provisions any nyoma hodo ehia opa we delay musa edru so na ukotua nso a yaka kire wo se untimi nchante e me chance na ma na so ya keke na mom o de Vodafone cash dia uni how cry yaka ko bia say dia untimi de Vodafone cash etua merchant bia or what network bia so straight direct sharp enti say auto provisions fuel inro inuane me kire say bia o pese wo ye bia no Vodafone cash ama na ye mremremra ma o ye hia o be ya de say o be dial *110# netua ka ko merchant bia ho e wo network bia so enia
Vodafone. Fibe Bray. You bet me about. I'm about degree or masters or postgraduate or doctorate. Our US, UK, Australia. Any of my mind should be brave. Yeah, one person sat IELTS and to fail. So person who took quite good dear woman on a dear and pat top tier. Kumasi,
wow. One more in fact 52 estate construction.
Ramu kama print me for mama Newart Scientific Clinic and Diagnostic Services ebra na bra na Dr. Nimo oboni diana do na uzampa ejuma no ye no ya de so ni papa Dr. Nimo eyobi e ba na wodie mu nsensem na afi mema yankasa ye ba bediana na ye berma no ho nsensem a odamufu a eno na nche no ya ye ko ankro na afi ya ye bia bobo bia no oro ni chemo Newart Scientific Clinic and Diagnostic Services o maso ya Dr. Nimo e champion power na waboa na wagiana so na ne makoye pa etimiera ma uyobi a wonumu yinka me ba choko na so ye simple krobe na what ne etimiera mana yo ba na bema wapa wa unya bi ene otumu sampa how kakra oni nyina no obomode edi hudwuma afeso enu echi no e ma ne bi wa onze mre bi so a ya na kusua no to serebe ya ope ba anane bema no kokushiam na bibibia akọ fine a wanya ba so o sa de ne hawa ni nyina be na wetimi abo na mi ayo obomode yi etimi refiso na baby boys na anaze darling guys ni muntie oye bema na ne ukosini nanim oboso ba kumienu da ya abonsisi ana ho senwa anim guase eyatimdidie ere maye mema no nyina dog behe na watimi aboa na wade ne da form keja akra orene watimi aboa ma ne ma dadin peda ma na transition is be ejuma from Wiser to Beam Nation adini so a ya baby girls no mutwe mpoapa ntiko na ye ma nye boti pa eye Dr. Nimo ene ehwe aboa na nyeja na so na ne ma da ye pa etimi ra ma na ma no so no osan boa ma himfio no otwa hoyopo ma ne ma dadin pretimi ediema na so samboa etimi siesie mfi oma bibi chiche eye de na ya kono na aboa ma bibi adeda de ramanti no yo ba na be ma how bia wo bia no de fo ni chemo e wo Newart Scientific Clinic and Diagnostic Services so maso yon kono Dr. Nimo ejumo bono ano edin obeboa na wegia na so na nema adadi bi etimi ra ma ebi ti say cancer on sensem hepatitis B ebi ti say kidney disease liver disease diabetes stroke ne dia kakari na no pekra no obomode etimi enwo ejuma na huhum ya no ni nyino hwe netimi eso ano eboa ma ugia na so ma nema de ye pa etimi eremo no na so ye no kwa waboa ne no o lab kese a emfidi ahodo na wo ha ohwe na odi ahwe na so no wegia na so no mundu o mo de be ma no ya domo sukwa onze we no na ye ma ya ye we beboa ama wetimi egia na so nti hihia awaye ni eba laboratory services scan services no any other machines no de hwe na e wo Kumasi ano working days no Kumasi joda ekokusi memenda anopa bi 7:30 am na ram 6 pm opo mu Kumasi a atonsu mu na ko junction no osita dance rural bank no onkodoko ha obo ejuma bo ama ne makoye pere mana nkran so no emfidie ne de be hwe no ya woda ekokusi memenda no pe bia 7:30 am na kwa ko 6 pm akra so no oro ni chiem e o sek inside Fotorama na cheso mo Ebengorio station no osita nes chemist fadok number no ka ha no mbo 0244 087 687 0244 087 687 na 0279 087-687-0279 087-687 Ramu na Dr. Nimo na Jana so na ne mande da ye pa entimi emfama kama pa se da bizon ko entimi emfama jaboafo a ine omonso bo na afise na babe rameda ma Game Park Limited semenka emfancho ze na de akrade na ba din da so no Game Park Games na cheze Game Park Games no bo ama wa bomode atwa ketu e nyeska bebre also no e wo so pa antu use phone tablet ana computer de tie ni obeko play Store. What download the Game Park Games app no and now poke on site to www.gameparkgames.com. Now once we ramu ukita phone network bia yusubiano order star 946 hash star 946 hash or ramuna wa bomodi etimi aye from 0 to 9. O predict say 4 numbers e bebani na your baby team predicting straight. Say 1 2 3 4. Say no neba benya skibra na predict say number 3 no ebe PM yen say no so no unya ska bibre bo amane ma dadi pa. Etimi ra ma no hihye mu no omobo modi atwi draw no premier sa anopere 9 o'clock am wi na 12 PM anwume 6 PM ni live on Adum TV a obenya na wetimi ahwe na aboa na ne ma dadi era ma de yanze wenye du enfie no du nwotwe na unya du nwotwe a qualify na National Lottery Authority ajoma tumti no o two game na eboa ma ne ma so no ededa di imperatimi ede ma na Vodafone semenka emfan chose ne no mni B Boss Ghana aka di aboma ede ntoto ye pa itimi abantoto ye ne ze yeze ne open smartphone na yusu a de yan so obo mode ato ase 353 Ghana cedis we that deposit na ye ma bosome 9 ede kokoro amunsia Samsung phone kro na open no we twa ne kakrakra na aboa ma ne ma deda di impera ma meze nkomo we no eye nkomo pa na yesu betimi atwa ne de bia na otwe bia betimi atwa ediase de yan so obo mode na Vodafone office bia no wakona wakwa rase ye kumase ye kofoidi ye akra na takrade obetimi rom kran no Vodafone mo shops no bi o Madina ANC mo East Legon Accra mo Junction mo Cantonment na afiosu na OPB boss from head office wa adenta brikwan no so on sabetimi akoma na betimi afro headquarters so na enchemu bi etimi edi amao 0800 255 255 0800 255 255 na 0243 323 0243 323 me pacho yes your mo sales agent o kuma se akra takra na kofoidia different regional manager na no ending como 0208 484141 0208 484141 yemboa na ne mande da yeso no entimi enfama na totoye no enko ye kama so entimi enfama top tier steady abroad consult zebra yamfon romu ewa manone nako koto adisua no so na ne manko ye pa entimi enfama ntine mo amawe high school no ze o grace ne ya yeboa etimi age scholarship etimi de ma be a full be a partial dizoni mbobo unimrika kwa usua de no na oda talent na dinya no nko a e ba ne bachelor's degree master degree postgraduate diploma and certificate doctorate degree programs no US Canada UK Australia na baby to say Austria any New Zealand no nyina yero kona wakwa akoto so etimi abodwuma ma ne makoyeda ma sat no yeboa eche ema nkwada ni twa yie na afeto for no na IELTS no nyina no yeboa ma nurses graduate and graduate student no etwetwa nchemu ne se omo chade wo no de oncha ma no ne kra nya ni mfiedu nwotwe enti eba ni ndie omo obi a yere ne ye de aboa na so no wegya na so na ne makoyie pa etimi ramanti mu amo nkran no Madina Royal Circle CCA Gan Plaza also Madina Polyclinic number ni 0203 592 008 0203 na Kumase Makom traffic lights omo Eben Bank of Africa 0260 411 847 0260 411 847 na do ni chemo takra dia omo be NK City Fire Service no efian kwanta kwan omo be Fijia School Park no 0598 007 852 0598 007 852 ni amboa na ne man dedi enfama na ya wo da ramu e wo Betway www.betway.com.gh www.betway.com.gh na ko now so no koko you see the golden booking code no nyambo amane man da din pa enfama e simple okwa atwe baby 100% back keke so obonse code ne da mfa bi nkan mfa bi nhim obo modin twa from 1 Ghana to 50 Ghana ye diwa ye return usika no ne de mawa ebo amane man da din pe de ma de yanze wenye du mfedu nwotwe terms and conditions ya de omudwuma de omudi no omo apply no Betway bet your way na ne ma nyande da din so no enfama minti mofie eni komo akrade a Dr. Kweku Frimpong e baba beto dwase Ashanti Gold abomode Liga 2023-2024 baba sha se no edi nyanhye na akwa akoto so no pimpa no achieche mu sele nkomo no esi ekọ ya ne mu nche mu no sele sitie se no obomode a odijai
yeni as gold frame as gold amra wo GF ne se o team ye betima you from a check quarters and betima you ni pa no omunya ni pa 3 quarters and also vote to tiaw ansa na ye you from enti omo ye congress omo ye no omo invite ye omo ye ya omo say ye counting no eni pa no ye 67 wow sir ye check eni pa ye 25 se basia say mo twa intentia na pasa so ana mo bugana animo ase sebi GF ye to abama asebra behwe a wo na wo beso me yen enye teams no ana e beso mo na de minim se ye teams no bebre ni mmra no ana bebre aye din no mo ye yesa whereby ka GF fo no o mo ye servants o mo na esom yen enye o mo detective ma yen o mo esom yen enti ye pese Ghana aban eti asie eni pari nyina ati asie na yehu o mo dwuma pa o so mo ye no mo jai intimidation stay away a challenge me oba customer ma you frame we go customer pama ya yin frame e fa say laji gruda ya di motuno we ya di motuno a chete one ka o masem bia no ya say wutim enti me de me masema ko da court Sompa Sports ni pa na o mo say o mo 67 no ene kwa mpo ka 67 mpo a kanyamra ka to mo ni pa 90 asa de me ye frame
Eltia no ye command Dr. Kweku Frimpona Bomodi Timera Tuga Acheshemu Dientia ne omode omonsem na akwa kora mokota yen league no na jeze se ye bebo yembo ene RSA bibi abedadi na nema akokama kama pa eno nso no efiwera mo ene the vice president of the Ghana Football Association na etwebe me be friend Makado ene be lazo pin na injunction nkome watiti tibia na watia dia na kere fa ono so say no den common jai.
In this case the plaintiff is already been expelled. So I don't know the basis of that, of that, or who is filing on whose behalf. So that's my first question. I'm not too worried about it. Of course, we will respond. The FA will respond in court, and for the courts to adjudicate on it. But I'm not too worried about that. I mean, I am very happy with what we have done so far. I'm very happy with the president, his leadership, and what he has been able to accomplish. And you also saw the results in terms. We've seen the results in the past 4 years, and we see what the league opportunities for the league to be bigger. So I'm just focusing on the prize that we want to push Ghana football to the next level. And these things happen. These everybody, has an opinion. Everybody has a right to go to court.
Eltia no ye command open pana bomodi area tuga na jezo tire o kaninchimwa ode eba gidize nipa no crowd o maramo court no mu nei ye kwa akosho akonfuzu tipa o nyom no ye you fi agru ni mo ze akame nyom baako na nipa no de o mo kono kra ne football no kra yi na film ti o mo no sa de we no enya de se bo mu mi ade na Samuel ni mado enso ye esco member ono de bizarre ne ze na injunction komo no watiti na de na akere fa ne some of the tudwani
bibia wa the competition no can say the two honor bibia so me dem hu janchi bia let me just say bibi wo ha secretary to the competition the committee.
Eltia no ye command bomode etimera to your chairs and komono on bibia etimere for Dream Service General Manager Aminu Shadow na weekendi nyambo chena era omo bom gomene Kalun FC omo efimo el serion patamona de boni bizanse so far zena preparation is here Edema Dream Service your pin pan and komono say on so dijai
on the drew and Rambo on the draw on what change on Muka or Ghana Ham Canada. Manya be on my rentica or Moyan Mutin and no car cases there almost on my very determined say on my match and with this kind of indication I will say so yeah share who could buy a challenge and so my bedroom the house be outside to talk to Aquam yeah.
Eltia no ye command General Manager Aminu Shadow Bomodin to get woman ma daddy permana no pay and na what tip so ye ne Abednego Tete Zlatan edin commona bizaza Zlatan team see any players reporting for can be as own report to be na ye bisa no ze ne dia ne cause as now report ya Zlatan say ono ne ready see league no kra no be obi na komo diche no say no bomode chechense
ko Black Star. Almost
all right, na ya bomode ni akona ya kwa kurum na aboama ne ma de dadin pa etimi ede amaye na ya hwe na yetimi aruram ni akona ya kwa kuti na aboama ne ma de dadin pa etimi aramantie na yetimi ya hwe na dintia eni also we na dwen say Ghana Premier League no mbo biem no ensemo de etu dwa no ne yakọ na yakwa kuti ansa na yaba na yaba bechi tie no ready a ma mintie na mehwe se do bo modern etimi edi etu dwa ne nchemu a eni obomode etimi edi ram ne ade ade meba na ma babeti Zlatan anum asem na ma hudi nti a osi league no mobio na mo ba football zemenka efra chos atadi die sheme no FPA ni nanze African print no no wabomode die designs a wodo na bi ene sheme atumuze me no ma gi African map pa na eji we are di yazin African print polo shirt, African print golf shirt, African print round neck shirt, African print v-neck shirts ni na no or the bia boutique for no wayen shishia pretty me da mama na your gold package a 20 shekta e wo box mu offer no no the bro bibia obia uncha delivery fee bia you also a package 15 shirt or box bros package no 10 shirt or box mu and our sign ayen to ye abomodin a yesin nei no e ba na companies are organize bankers mo Friday we no and teachers association schools no churches fan clubs no be na wabo na mu so no monsa netimi akabi yesin nei no ankona ntisi yeso yi tonkra na odibia ba na niam de de ramenti frebafo na ne nin komo na ne ntade na efepa obebo na Ghana baby obi a nationwide delivery so no on set me akabi ne bo no form 0249 600789 0249 600789 at 0599 899-919 0599-899-919 ena makoko ben Santasi obuase kwano so no onsa ecom ne aboana ne ma de dadi so era ma 312 Arc Limited Company zene oye hetwork anko akunya ba Canada UK ye do ko na wakwa akoto aso ayejuma na aboama ne ma de dadi impret ni era ma se Canada no kwa bibia beda obesua de kakra ni nyina mu na oye clinicals no eno nso echi no opeso kusua de wo Canada America North South Europe ye do beko footballers no so ye boa edi sport visa etimi ere mamo Ghana setena fono peso ko Canada USA UK Shingi State ni bibia ye boa na mo amwonsa anujuma mponi sa anujuma Romania Eli bebi ti se Malta ababa beto di amama yere mo ko na makwa ko bujuma na ne ma de di impera manti form number no na ne omon kasa 0531 644 217 0531 644 217 0531 633 556 0531 633 556 na 0205 572076 0205 572076 kuma so po mo a adwa to masala chombe na report junction kaswa New Market Road no Fidelity Bank aban so no first floor unyo mo ne aboa na ne ma de di imperial ma 52 Estate Construction Limited wedu amano ne awuye adwuma san wani mu fifire no sika no was all pass ase any efie yesi e won kan ni kumase a 52 Estate Construction Limited also bomodeni omo edin also 15 good years ni omo ye adwuma munya ha bia de beboa now there so na bamu etimi era man hihye omo ayekra and is this time around oba beto omo plot ni bi se fu ana half a ye ma 50 bag of cement eje na fa ba asase na su utwa 50% ombe ma mbre na watwa nkakran na asase na ba be yo de so de adwumefo ababa bi o pe bebi amomatena o contact omo no so ye be na ya boa fie na dada no ye be renovate ama na mono kradu a obetwa me 52 Estate Construction Limited omo era bombo di se adwuma no opo mo a ene akra Kesema Johnson Gempa Chimota Road no Convey Plaza omo ye adwuma kuma se page 4 anto akwan no so no obenya omo number ni 0556 723 338 0556 723 338 na 0531 525 797 0531 525 797 embwa man de dimpa entimi from 52estate.com or call on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok obozampa jumapa no mudi no no ye bɔ mo nyamfo nyina wodo na egu akɔro akɔ na nema ada yera ma Roxy Travel so say akonya na ba se ne ye robekɔ akɔ akɔwura mu amonone okɔye adwuma okɔ akɔsua ade okɔ akɔbɔbɔ okɔ akɔtena simple crowd mo US no ye je work permit area mana cheche for no so no ye de mu wura mu US ma mokɔ ekɔkɔcha ade Canada ni UK ene health workers so no ene de mu wura baby ti so Australia New Zealand na afi so no odo ani chema patamu bi etise na chese ne oman bi so no etise tech no ye robekɔ factory job no down ma so bekɔ akɔ drivers cleaners and securities out on ene security job ni na ni so kakra ye duru mo Bahamas na so no wakɔ akɔ ye adwuma ene Albania ye penkwada mba radio makɔ wenye fifie du otwede kɔ animu a okɔ akɔwura mo sikani bi fie onimrenti ne ba no na akɔ akɔhwɛ no na aboama ne ma deda dimpa e di amana na drivers no so no yes baby to say Dubai, Qatar, Kuwait, akwenya ba etimi era mamo ye beboa no wenya scholarship remo China, Canada, Belarus and afi US no akwa kusua de ticket booking reservation no ye private jet rentals ye beboa ne odu ani birth certificate na pay passport assistant ni na na yetimi aboa nti kuma so pomo a asafo VIP station ogori home tag building no unyo 025 7776730 025 7776730 na 055 7607 379 055 7607 375 055 7607 375 and African kind Accra Kaswa CPOC Methodist Church no unyo number no 024 4613 237 024 4613 237 yambwa na ne man de ye prem farmati mami rom na mintie Zlatan kakra de dia ne ozi en league no mbobiem no komo no say no bomo de jaye ore no nye ready no oni edidi nkomo akra ze ye oni ama bebra akoso e ona brabo me ba the national side na ndedadi say no bomo de nkomo de jaye
nti omo ti assignment ni parking me mana ni ko fi na ni akola eko Black Star mizamu sa ana ko no mukatira almost ni nkombo pick up final ma meeting na meeting ni ya me say Black Star coach maso ko ne upa mumbisana abepe mende Pedia Mamudima, me was a Black Star. Me friend, team manager said me friend, Coach Maswell. Me friend, Coach Maswell, Coach Maswell said me friend, team manager. Major 2009. Team Michael G, World Cup, Africa Cup, under 29. The very day I took one. And you mean I did share to one. I you mean Coach Wellington. Me can me born Cocodio. And also friend me say, Heart of Lions was Omantina Simon, we buy in the name of Heart of Lions. And see, Omantina Simon, to me packing in the manner, Linkofi, and the other place, and Eddie breakthrough. Into me, quite a damn one of my Ghana football. It be anywhere, Uncle said, into me for national team, not me for Mutox square, and Linko and family.
Eltia lawyer koma Zlatan abomo de dia to you amzen komo ni na bibia e ha adwempo so no nko ade no de Ghana football ani omo ye ne sana Zlatan ai say no a no league waka so mbo biemi we for no se ne sitiere ma da be ne bo so sen abobo no bi
so ya mi admo be tinenka o na abu me ma be mo buda and I'm regretting so that but normally I was saying because oh ade abi me mama who me yama all other players of football league but she said next season some bema award on bema officer ade but obi ka say me kasa do anya say me kasa do ade omo yenya we have to speak to power me 5,000 watch say me go to me say let's also faka very disrespectful.
Eltia no ye command is Zlatan abomo de area to yana ba kono ye ready amemwati ko James Akwezi apia air of Nyambo Sunday big game akrobia Kumasi Asante Kodako bon akanse ni da kon e ofidio ma me ne bedi on komaka na wabomo de a air of the season no or the message be e remedy akrobia busuan ko no
meet me aka to supporters and it's I'm say utum for kasa yemu no ama yina our say Kodako no circles and all players there. Iti you tun for kind no patches ebe you any you nina ejina supporters and so ti the best stress obia fum no so obia kaseti no so obia tin obia ka no ejina yenkan humum Kodako no the papa pe intimi here so tun for the age but you na again say the tie tun for Sompa Sports ya boano e matikoto team no ayi ebe yi nso a jina say yina be kan bom aye baako ye baako a na de ye bia no ebetimi anya nkunimje kese afriso nti esro bia say bia dia yo bia fantu na chi na ye hese Kotoko ena yesum yana na tumfo na yina edina chi ede apeja Kotoko no ejina ho yene sa wujide se afie ne mfie aka ewo enim no Kotoko besore afalentuma pa afra damas.
Tiano yer koma ko James Akwezi apia abo modern edi ti Sunday said make ni da kon wa na yerom ni akobara yenti wimbra.
It's a new dawn and a new season. The Ghana Premier League 2023-24 season is chassis. And Africa's Club of the Century, Krobia Kumasia Santigroko, is back in action. A Sunday, 17th September 2023 at the Babanyaro Sports Stadium is Kumasia Santigroko versus Bando Heart of Lions. The Fabulous family, Ukuma Pimbeba, a 6 p.m. sharp. And we are doing you prepare. Near be a gate no. Obia supporter Sante Kotoko. Eman Kunim Diemra. Coach Prosper Ogum. And in the Mantian say, one more are you ready? The supporters across the world in Ghana. Are you ready? Retinal. A popular stand. 10 Ghana cities. Center line. 20 Ghana cities. VIP wings. A 30 Ghana cities. And the VIP main for a cool 50 Ghana cities. 2023-24 season year. Yet Yahuka Kuna started. Will be a stadium. Emma supported Krobia Kumasia Sante Kotoko against Pando Heart of Lions. Name Kunim Diemra. Fabulous. A more day. A
no nyamboa weekendi chance ochna say bibia sia Ricardo Vaz beba beji city na krama aka no ho na omwadwere ma na aboadwuma na aboa ma bibia nsia say mindim china de betimi asi ti na me de bibia nsia bishop na man kaza yi
eno na problem because na ka ye be ti a ye be ka say esi o Ghana Samatex anyway but you see league no nkomo bia ye di bia no we are skeptical.
Yes
Bruni say ye twetwe na asika because ye nim na ebesi forget about Animado, forget about Makado, forget about the others.
They've shown that before. I'm a league in that time I was a chassis now.
Let me confess to you, Minyano.
Mebao, Mema wa can win a boom na ti wibra. Why? Yampa, ti wibra.
Posters. Abawi. Ninja Bobu, Ghana Hana. Yashani Okosu. The top scorer award. The more 5,000 vouchers. Sompa Sports. I know. Respect them. This will be some FA4. It's referee car almost 2 billion. Best player Momano 220,000 Ghana City, which is 200 million. Now top scorer there woman water 5,000 Minko dental house. Magasa we say man something respect. Now me the chairman ba na me the chair ba. Look at me say oh me G go can you see me contributing. That maybe that two and colana do dia. Maybe I na see one normally Minko ear clinic, Minko the numaso.
Yo. What is it? That does it be unless you're Gia. Our cars are go ear clinic, no go in us.
Yeah, do no one careful here. Oh, they are Robert Cassim.
You lad in Ada way, sir.
I don't know.
Watch it. Ada bishop, ada football
because when you are say Abasin, send your medal near him. No, you say if in bet na say who. Say top scorer is one of the best individual achievements. Here, panel of judges. Me atamiti me come chiro wenne me this is the dance me mami Julian was not the best referee in the last league. I'm telling you.
Una ozu muzana
omo doctor den dem bi o
sa
Madrian koso
ono ne oyejuma last season
bra all the doctor den
obepedi na ma
Dr. Imura na
obepedi na ma
Dr. Osman oh bra
ni on the demo last game against Dreams
league ni review. Somebody not try the no mind corner no the amano. I have no problem. Normally, come in this injunction that about a league so. Normally it means that media me find so court in the say the public good or do any interest. Now didn't say I can't amount for abo moon in back for myself. But when you come to Congress in the year, champion frame into a meeting around and what you run about. Now I sat down with him and others. When sometime like this, we were listening to him and the submissions closely. That was the day I mean, who said, I shan't go for no more answers. Into players never verdict nearby and then you go.
That period, Nana, Mike. Nepo, Kushia Ima. Oh, Champion Divine Clinic.
Okay, sure.
Na Imaka say.
Ombebo league ni bi.
Imaka chase Ombebo league.
Ombebo league ni bi.
Also Ombebo league.
Yeah,
Ombebo league ni bi straight.
Nkai pa. Na sama text Abubakar na pra.
Abubakar na pra. That time na Abubakar ko surgery na wi no. Ti me ne Mike na Paul.
You better the penny for me the ordinarily come in person dey injunction na beto so. But ne akos for cars. So almost you can take the FA on. Because in their haste to give rulings, bobo kwan to on. Pentem the judgment abano. Bobo kwan bi to one. Ashanti Gold could exploit it. Players normally at the end they are free, but the class should suffer. There be a hunt as it. You know, you basis so many locals, so many locals. Mfansho mutrim se Ghana Football Association the Ashanti Gold Cup.
Omoka Kabe.
They call campaign or for chant team. This in the ministry in TI. Omoka don't so need documents. Onkonko say ebi Ashanti Gold egu. Omo free league nim. But as an entity, as a going concern,
it hasn't been
as
dissolved.
A private human, artificial human being that can be sued and sue.
They are still active. They've been suspended from the league.
Remember what I say?
Onen sem no ken no krabi o shaze okay na o agrolo ye ba bi wa fu si aka anyon ba ko.
Enu nti na ye me ya say shadow the movies am
Sompa Sports.
Yes. So free national mosque konum. Oko Kaukudi Junction wa. Right, almost city house or good house. Office no.
Office no.
Yes. Now imagine say Shadow is now FA president or general secretary. Now also a mining company no for support.
I'm kind of no.
Now I'm kind of keke. Partners, bankers. Because Ashanti Gold no, it's a big thing. But I'm for Adrian Koso. Say Olubo Komodo bi. And as a penyumfo ni bi no, and the movies are emotional because they've lived the better part of their life. But there's a young man that I feel not be living into his dreams. You get the point? So it's worrisome. Awards the next time maybe in a year. Na minim ni entia awards committee no. It's me messing up goalkeeper top scorers award me no nyina.
Sompa Sports.
Basa.
O say no na ye nominate you. A man
you're nominated.
Why do you nominate top scorer?
Top scorer.
We don't nominate top scorer.
We
don't nominate top scorer.
I know that chair. Top scorer, man, no see a man a voucher 5,000. When can you born you?
Of Uncle Chidi
First, we know. And yes, I'm about here.
Oka as a 1 year fair to my helpful. Oka see a man a voucher 5,000. As a man and the man is so far cocoa.
Of Uncle Chidi you see a voucher. Send me.
But we should go back here to 5,000. You need to obey
Malcolm voucher say Konakui products are different. Jamal Marabi should have seen this. Money company didn't come up. No more the 5,000 for them, mama. And I'm mutia. A cheese will be worth your area. I need to health insurance. No, I can't this kind of man. We are 5,000 conquers out.
Larry, I'll call it say Bibiala.
That was a lot of cards you could say if you follow.
So it's the best. How about I do?
I wish I will come charge you 5,000. 5,000 fireworks. And yet, say, I can't know. I come here and say,
top scorer. You actually during the season now. Your mom be also a smiley check camera no. Iti also the Kodoko tree. There's no baby.
Cut me the master Miss Okatachi kwesi appearance so.
Hey.
So mo kase kotoko nkambuma. Normally nkabe kase atia. But kotoko any Burkina Faso. And then kotoko any Al Hilal. Change my perception about unity. Say kotoko penkabo. Burkina Faso from
Kadiogo.
Because I'm not doing me calling name Munano. But 2 more mass on them. Maybe I know mascap Debbie.
I don't know
Makoba. Yamakoba nine.
Be I no kotogo bem.
Mass on ko ni bibi omo roka so ko
Maserati.
Cafe Maserati.
Former Cafe Maserati. Almost send the aye no
inside.
The inside.
Goalkeeper na no chichibon. Any captain. No more to home, about 4 in a normal tell.
I don't perform.
No, into the game. Game day, Saturday into Sunday, no more.
No more to 4 in a
Tanawana, Juna, and a numbi. Shisha. I
don't want to share. Hey, Jobo Mati, we are Menubisha.
No, be uncomfortable.
Menubisha. Why? Regarding all BB can I make fun you? I'm a college and
me your problem with young Kamu.
Are they?
No message I catch supporters and so I'm support you young Kamu. There is not single person or assassin who are being no do BB. Yes. The Bentina a person. I there were particular something about BB my part of the chrono. Untimi is at any free hole.
Oh, okay.
We all Kotoko because of Kotoko Waha. Kotoko Shejesi Koko. BB no do Kotoko. Decided any free hole bet my film. Untimi for Snipa Cro.
Oh, okay.
Two was my de can. Naturally, the Obabe. Not to be young Kamum. There were people there young ye preaching Kamumuni and see. Just understand, say, San Kamumun Emma, Babe would banana as a that's the most important thing. Oh, yet, then, and I say, it's easier, Bobra. You plan your life, say, be a president, ye baby. Baby, do no nyas, obstacles in the bar. But audience won't call a target, troopers already target, no. Do Muna and Kamumun. Meaning you two have any for. In relation, Ben Pana a say for award. Make Junior Wam in Tiasia.
That's it, we have Bishop. Maybe tells you 5,000 cabet between
because so be a bobo, we now what the top scorer. Near man of water, your man of water, so one could not chin say 5,000 Ghana to the city.
Kwana has player and accommodate side women. I'm Sakabana Comassa.
Well, I didn't know.
Because Kotoko supporters in Transit. And Shaman got 5,000 VAT and farmer players on Fangutunis.
5
now, club no crowd on by a master player maybe
50 million.
Baby, you go start supporters and one agree to sign on our way. Players, you are disrespecting your player.
Obey Siache.
Need a format some baby, I saw quite Sanison now. I don't know now.
Because and Bella and Pasu. When now call player who be a court. No, be a court and say together we build. FA secretary no
together we build
and together we build
there
at a point where obi normal my intimate mama has of all tamale you see can be to waste kotokwa na be possible teams are pre-season or maybe be to go waste because of mumu decision be a matter on that gold nti what to say together we build then there ben pan the krom ha bet ma catch me say they are paramount to play and say on be boot. Now you play any no o do to boot. These people are joke of leaders.
Mate, o da we be shani. Akwaba.
Yeah,
congratulations on Ram Musa MC no nei omo be kasa dia makrobia no e no din apiem. Ti me bo abaso. Ze bibia de dadin. E na mani age so ze we ne baaye no manya hakane ame no ba be komo. Na se na ne meziko okrobia. End of the season.
Me da se na me chia kotoko. Ahwefo ne supporters nyina. Amefa kwenya wesu na minda Dr. Isaac Donkwase. O se me chia wo ma no.
Sompa Sports.
Ebekasa. And na wa kra.
Okay.
Ye dwumade bi pa wa kra but onya hu se match no ebeba so Sunday no. Ahomatu 4 e no frame me. Ebe du Kumasi anope ya.
Oh wow.
So the first place I me buy nti me chia Dr. Ike. Me chia Mike S2 too. You to near me pa because season no make I say per what we have any directors are every hono apa no chere say season no starting na me ad much na
yes
and see your match no Sunday enwomre so the only thing we have to do is say I will say follow our supporters na e ma omo say bibi say baso na omo to member stadium in their names because we can't afford again in the coming season say Baba Stadium na to enia na we there be we have to come down to our supporters, talk to them and make sure we tell them something good about the team.
Yes.
And they be make say supporter need there and the winning bonus and say Baba Stadium the team about FIFA where we need okoni baby. Asa say send genu ba won say always know supporter look up who he has over chair say in the match or no can say and na no chana no your boy a match na wakantino yaba say the supporters no ebe bon kombo na omuntu be because management aye omo de
yes
opem so wan kasankasa aye ni de technical team no with the number of weeks omo ko do be so back to Kumasi Jumadi omo edi no say they are also ready for the season.
Yeah.
Then me as a supporter, you as a supporter watching this particular program at this time, no. Then me know say they say yeah they say on Sunday no I was say Baba Bayara Sports Stadium na ye say ampa team no endia ye do team no enti no I was say ye ba e cheer the boys on because always omo fitando no mo na omo ba omo the true so a of first stance no mo opponent sem cheer supporters no player bi an share go I was say o di America akọjá management be anima always supporters.
Yes,
it tells us say players no always no here say yebeba na ombe hu ye say ampa we are rally behind them nti nyame adoma Sunday you say supporters so they say enyina yemra Baba Yara Sports Stadium. We have some few additions. We have the core of the team there.
Yes.
And addition abekam we say new ones no enya that feel no say Kotoko supporters we are always expectant we the BI team no deliver so omumra na players no so ashebo say what they are expecting from them no they are also ready say obe deliver so we are calling on them obi amra nyame aduma on Sunday
no so start in share sonko bi ho right nim say winning na season no match di kan
yes
yeah ball minim say my share bi e sonko then supporters no de be ba be ramu na abo ama bibia ko ida
management di hujuma say o say normally enya issues when it come to this e-ticket the work gate network no hard drink akra the management di hujuma say ebetumi aye bibia fa ho a say the be supported do stadium ho a onye stranded because say be obey are ho say obi ne yire ne ma be fifi aba o be gina wiam ho Euros Park ho na o twa ticket online na and respond on say hard dream the management do hujuma say betumi ye bibia be boa supporters no manya easy access to the stadium. Quite apart from that no I can say ye gate fees are ye last season na no ye increase ye
muntum dada
na 10 cedi wom 20 cedis wom 30 beso tra VIP 50 Ghana.
Wow.
Enti eguso e di niama no kakra I know say we have tomorrow, we have Saturday before Sunday. See, if there's any other thing now, we'll let the supporters know. But for now, dear, let me say these are the arrangement for the game on Sunday.
The team now moving from Beposo Abakumase. The Shishan also to say proud to say Sunday ni baby do not be training Okroma. No, Aquina Babas supporters and was there no na omode commotion maybe akwada kuja chena ya bia to now here more than Jesus and Shishan anything.
Coach Edika say in the course of the season no cry no make sure say between the team no abey supporters no so any venue be I say between training here be open to the supporters no we are ready to do that and I know say fiti ochina aircon yeah arrangement be training of Bayara Sports Stadium.
Oh wow.
Yes, and one of the days will be open for the supporters to feel or to see the players before the game itself on Sunday. Nembo no
Sompa Sports.
Yes, Obia player but this is not the time we'll ask for photographs and all those things because any brepa season no ya say yeah pressure better yes so no enye easy and we are also guided against all those things and the best say yes there will be some open way for the supporters to see the players before the game on Sunday but and also the be announced by 6 p.m. no supporters to expect something great from Asante Kotoko.
And you may 6 p.m.
Yes.
Supporters and the KCB.
Yeah, the KCB, yes.
I'm the name more dupa.
More dupa.
Do to men talk. I did the like I was also catch. That squad knows will be fully fit.
Fully fit. Just that 1 or 2 players be bad.
About Munya no against Sachaman and real Sumuni women. I'm ready for game.
But that depends on the technical, the medical team. Hopefully, by the close of and then Chinano, on the Babonti, I declare players who are fit for the game on Sunday. But you see, which players are signing for the season now? Any of them is capable of wearing the red jersey and deliver for Asante Kotoko. They say Obenya total support, and trust me, we are ready to do that for the supporters.
Martin. Captain now will be here.
Captain.
No, no, you may be.
Oh, expect something big. That's
what did Captain Amubi? Now, I'm captain. That's still a museum. Captain. Minya botre.
I boss what I say obi go captain Samban ana.
Ah me uze na ebom fake. E dey fake na em captain.
O dey the American say. Na me at Sunday obi go captain Samban no. But and there's something great will happen. I mean, the supporters will see something new.
Mate.
Mate. Respected.
Ni mate mi niza chama sandwich.
Sure.
Me da se pa number. Ti mama kwa ma no so na me fa for no kakra 0551 931 0551 931 931 931 obetimi afre na wa ba so ba me show TV no ana radio alo na ma me na wa ma kasa no ate ehia me pa baba jo dia ne baby afrefi.
Yes sir.
Robert Yago.
Mr. Abu Memia, I go to the tune and I would just live there me. I may advise now, it's the former to Papa and Colano. Performance Colano, Yami advise now, it's Napono. Your bomb person, Yami advise him to be out of focus, and Legano. They didn't talk as about what time is a broken commission or Danaha. It is a bomb person, young boy, Nampwadi, I look at the answer by Trana for you. I'm going to go to the answer to be a Yame, Medasi.
Metsumeda, so Diana baby Alfrefi. Yeah, I mean, I go.
I can't we are crossroad in the better pictures. And I play no more basso for negative open show. Now, I'm in the Sherman Abaso. Now, I'm in Children for Jala Kufa to me back in the Japon. I'm in Chomova. Now, one question so that when people fled in about the Mama Channel. Daja, is it got a commodity and only accept that for your first match? In any team, and that's a part 1 month. And so, Bobia, young pony at the 3 points. You could not get come on that, Baba.
Bantam Sumeda, so Diana baby Alfrefi. Georgina, Yossi of Rosing.
Yes, from Isaac.
Isaac, me too.
The American say, Ghana football. You need your home, say they share football. By FA president in a match. You know, I can't be ever home. That's a wise good team. O pese ugu King Pfizer. Inki Asante League teams here women. Ebeboa. Also Asante Maisu Ekimi Sole. Say I go year a block Masia Asante Kotoko. King Pfizer su year a block Masia Asante Kotoko. Inki Yenke and our mama go sana George free se obes kandi happy president ahe yo moye no. Inki wo mafia sa na pese ode be football ni media. Any a big job with the
Mate, Medal, so Diana baby Alfrefi.
Your family came in, sir. You don't know family phobia.
Sports.
Abu, I'm a paid Madame Mobile Juma, down to my food now, so you team. But you are here, yeah, all Friday, no. I need to my arm at Catania, by the way, and every year I'm with the Saro here. Ya me kansa kotokopua mtu magemo mose die muni bibia mo bayo na kwanzo hata bana subi se omo ba no mo ba se omo be fe mo moto na mama body eguma na bema enya dia be pa nti se mo doctor na mo sa wo professor na akwa mata lions mo best ye draw enya dia mbenya 3 points no na out of yeah no.
Oh, Mamma Fobo, how dear the baby Alfrefi?
Yeah, your friend can black, the free crown price.
Can me do?
The bomb about to let my papa now on my concon Ghana. That Ghana, they were football near Kosono. My should be BO. Now, Omani say you didn't cry too much. Share and price one away one. That you can see you on price to her. That open ship players and come to warm. That me say players no me true on press roll station wa me na for there for the minimum on bobo. That me say obi timi na fi obo e ba be unity or kwa me na ese me sama ni scan ho tan de ko. As what timu no ni timu no ye timu kesi o ko ha. Chief me so hwe de ko so atam timi transfer na me ra ko de ko so o man mu. O chiri the start league. As we said, yeah, the US president, he said, I'm going to just so regularly say, okay, what can I start to go for the Coco Park? Not so now, players in the Coco side, do one, nobody a pump and a bubble, only a pump, only yow, see, I don't see a bomb, you know.
Mate, Medal, so Diana baby Alfrefi.
fantastic. I would have.
Mariola, meet you.
No, Debbie, and so and the master of my Debbie, it's a little because one. I say, and I can
Lady, I know where they. Mr. Mariola, Menton, you be quasiaba. Me for you chat to our dear baby Alfrefi.
But your friend is Spana, because I feel for Gosso.
About Joe meet you.
Madame, I sing my family and my Ghana. Now, Ghana gave a Ghana, if you know, my kind of quench of my part. Sebi, on my dream now. As a best player, now, man, I was 5,000 games. On Pogo, you shouldn't be added, said you feel in a Kakai or Mana. Many of Kano can reject you, know, I'm charged to crash, you know. And someone who says it.
But there, Musia, we have about 3 to 4 now. Yeah, the shootout and Abbott was on the airco as only 12 news out of Nebeba, now a room with Mera Mamonti, Yaramunasi.
One te Unipeduasia or te Ayarisasi. As soon as say Wapumudin, and as soon as say Wahwadin. Yaribia when ye free. Timan no madro abra when me yare no kofa by. We a 21st clinic in Yinaswa Yadesayare. What 21st clinic no? Yaria a month for Titunia Bruchefo. It names say yes, sapa no. Any Yaria friend says sciatica. Say Yakasa sciatica. A ye and Humabia, if free Usisiachi, said you who was screen sweet. Foul to us say, foul name to be from. Ayana a trion, a yaw ya to 2 Tituniana jo. It me count I back up, said you who. Na Emma, so one antia, a crane yaw ya untimina naso. It me mount.